Hello everyone! Today I'm bringing you another symphony by CHENYU. This is the titanium variation. As you might know from my previous videos, I already have it in polycarbonate, in polished stainless steel, and in polished Zirc. And I found it for a very good price in titanium. So I said, why the heck not? So I'm going to open it and show it to you. And the next video will be a comparison between all four for sound and loudness and overall function, I would have said. So let's open it and see what's going on. Time to do it bare hand. Oh, you know what? I forgot. How could I be so careless? This is the front. This is, sometimes people want to Google Lens, this thing. So, okay, now let's rip it open and see what is there inside. So let's see, nothing in here. CHENYU. Everything you need to know. Cool CHENYU sticker, very cool. Quality certificate. Another cool CHENYU sticker. Let's see what we have here. Looks like plenty of options. There's a screwdriver and zoom in for a second. This little thing, people asked me about it. This little horseshoe, you can unscrew the body, the track or whatever, and put it, and you can use it as a necklace place to put a necklace and wear it around your neck, or I would say a lanyard, or I forgot the word, paracord or paracord. So it's really cool. It comes with all the other variations also. And here is the symphony itself. Let's see what it says. Wait, I think it's the, I don't know. It's hard to know. I don't speak Chinese. No. Just a second, you know, I need to put everything away. Keep it in the frame, as I always do. And let's open it together with you and see how it is. Here we go. Man, that's light. That's super duper light. So, zoom in. You can see it's not polished titanium. It seems more like stonewashed. You can see the Syntony symbol, very beautiful, and the CHENYU symbol. The track with the ball. So, let's try it with you for the very first time and see how it is. Whoa! Man, it has a nice sound. think the titanium gives it a cool little sound. The ting of the ball is very noticeable. And nice haptics also. If you want, let's zoom in on the track. This is where you unscrew it, I believe. Here also. CHENYU TI 128. Very nice. A great addition to my Syntony collection. Very light. Very light. Which again can be good or bad. It's absolutely preference. I will say that I don't know, but the voice, the sound is sounds different to me. The titanium, not in the bad way at all. I really like the sound. Very nice. Like it very much. So let's just put it back in its place for a second. Very cool slider, and again super affordable. This titanium one cost me like I don't know, absolutely less than $40. I think even less than $35. I think it was like $31, $32, something like that. It's absolutely nuts for a buckyball slider made from titanium. I don't know, by a brand name like CHENYU. So I think it's a great deal altogether. So just gonna put it, let it go to sleep, and I will zoom out for you. And as always, thank you for watching. Appreciate every one of you. Thank you for being on this journey with me, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Bye.